Mano Badan Ha Kamra. Who is there in the room? Idan Ipa Hangte. My father is there. Im Pat Kindit Thia. He is not awake yet. I Dang Thia Sa Minta. He is still sleeping now. Kia Len Kersiu Ya E. Go wake him up. In Sa Dum. He will be angry. Tangba La Day Kapor. But it is time already. Im Len Treira. He is not going for work. Minin Iong Ishim Shuti. Yesterday he told that he has taken a leave. Mano Inia Hapo Nep Kumbal. Who is this under the blanket? Idei Imei Jonga. It is my mom. I La Depkie. She got up already. I La Yo Thia Biang. She is asleep again. Mano Ban Shat Menta. Who is going to cook now? Pin Hab Bam Jatha. You have to eat cold rice. Pikwa Bangan Kersiu Yaki. Do you want me to wake them up? MP Omlele. No, never mind. I lad ba kin shong thạch. Let them rest. I lad ba kin shong thạch. Let them rest.